Redis lives entirely in memory, so what happens when that memory is full? The answer depends on which eviction policy you have configured, and picking the wrong one can silently break your app. Once Redis hits its max memory limit, every new write forces a decision. Redis can silently drop old keys using allru or llfu, or it can refuse the write entirely with no eviction. The right choice depends on whether your data is a cache or a source of truth. When a write arrives and memory is full, Redis checks your eviction policy. No eviction stops the write with an error. LRU and LFU each pick a victim key to remove, then allow the write to proceed. You set eviction policies at runtime with config set. Here we switch between allkeys-lru, allkeys-lfu and no eviction, then check info memory to see current usage against your max memory ceiling. When reviewing a PR, check two things. Is max memory actually set, and does the eviction policy match the data's role? No eviction on a cache and LRU on durable data are the two most dangerous mismatches to catch. Set max memory, pick the policy that matches your data's role, and always persist it. The single most reviewable mistake is mismatching no eviction with cache workloads. Writes will fail under pressure instead of gracefully evicting old data.